Okay, good morning, children. How are you today? It's a Friday, so it's close to the weekend. Tomorrow will be Saturday, and the following day will be on Sunday. Okay, so it's the weekend. But still, of course, still learning is a continuous process. So every day we should learn something. Okay, again for today, I will continue our spelling. I will be giving you 10 words that you need to spell. I need you to do the definition, proper pronunciation, synonym, antonym, and the usage of the word. Okay, understood? So shall we go now for our Friday edition of the spelling? Okay, so Kaiser and Obi, this is your words. Are your words. Okay. So first word is excommunicated. Excommunicated. Second word, causative. Causative. Third word is diaphragm. 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 Fourth word is reservoir. Reservoir. Again, fourth word is reservoir. Fifth word is pedagogy. Again, fifth word is pedagogy. Sixth word is aphorism. Aphorism. Sixth word is aphorism. Seventh word is serene. Serene. Again, seventh word is serene. Eighth word is pristine. Pristine. Again, eighth word is pristine. Ninth word is polarized. Polarized. Tenth word is rationale. Rationale. Okay, we'll have another review around a quick round. Okay, the first word is excommunicated. Second word is causative. Third word is diaphragm. Fourth word is reservoir. Fifth word is pedagogy. Sixth word is aphorism. Seventh word is serene. Eighth word is pristine. Ninth word is polarized. Tenth word is rationale. Okay, these are the 10 words that you need to do, that you need to spell for today. You can do it on your time. Kaiser, this is what you should do, but I will send you another system that you need to learn in the body. Obi, you still have some other assignments, but do your assignments first in the school. Okay, understood? Okay, so that is our 10 words to spell for today. Okay, understood? That's see you later. I will call again later. Okay, understood? Bye-bye. See you later. So I need you to do again the definition, spelling, proper pronunciation, synonym, antonym, and the proper usage of the word. Okay, so enjoy this word for today and try to understand it. Okay, not just spell it. Okay, bye.